Exit off my property without a warrant. Bye. You guys are not welcome here. I'm stressed out. You guys are stressing me out.
Do you care about animals?
Do you care about my mom? Do you care about my family? No, you don't. You don't even care about animals. You guys just pretend to.
Okay, well,
you made me mad the most. Not just that, but you guys took other stuff that was not on the warrant. Why did you guys take my jewelry? Why did you guys take my money?
Diamond,
that wasn't on the warrant. So therefore,
welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we head over to Santa Clara County, where animal control and law enforcement somehow believe they can walk onto someone's property without a warrant and then act like they're protecting animals. Instead, all they manage to do is harass, intimidate, and throw around half-baked paperwork in an attempt to turn an ordinary citizen into a criminal. And when they get confronted by someone who actually knows the law, the whole team suddenly freezes up, stumbles over their own excuses, awkwardly hands over forms, and quietly retreats like they were the ones getting caught. Watch how a citizen who studies the law, stands his ground, and refuses to be bullied completely exposes the absurdity of this entire encounter to a level that's almost too ironic to even joke about. But before we get into it, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on this chaotic interaction.
Come on, now my mom didn't want to enter the house because you guys are here. And I'm gonna stand my ground. What can you guys do? Except for exit.
And come back with a warrant.
Yes, okay. Or we could go to court right now. Take me to court.
No, we can't.
Yeah, you guys could. If you really wanted to push for it, you could. That's how it goes. I read the law. That's all I do is read and study the law and everything. Seriously, I should become.
Well, then you should know. Then what we're
no,
supposed to do.
Exit off my property without a warrant. Bye. You guys are not welcome here.
Okay.
And sorry to be rude to you because I know I don't know you and stuff like that. It's just I'm really not this kind of person they're making me out to be. It's just you have to understand like what
we have not said anything.
The scrutiny, the law enforcement, and animal control have been putting me through for the past couple years.
Diamond, we have not.
No, you guys tried to take my dog.
Not me.
I had to fight that, and I didn't get no lawyer, and I represented myself. I got my dog back.
Yeah.
Yeah, you saw that.
I went to court and I saw you do.
And then now I'm gonna do the same thing, but now I'm gonna sue all of you because I'm sick of it. You guys are trying to criminalize me by a stroke of a pen. That's not fair.
But Diamond, do you understand that if you just showed us your birds and
if you understand, if you just leave, like we don't even have to have this conversation, and you guys don't have to be stressing me out because I'm stressed out. You guys are stressing me out.
Do you care about animals?
Do you care about my mom? Do you care about my family? No, you don't. You don't even care about animals. You guys just pretend to.
Okay, well,
you guys took away my dog when she was in distress.
Diamond,
you guys don't care about anything.
It's not going anywhere. You are obviously.
It's not. It's obviously not going nowhere. So why don't you go?
We're going to.
I'm asking you respectfully, nicely, go.
Okay.
Okay. And by the way, the declaration of ownership, the time has lapsed. So I don't know if you came to the shelter yesterday trying to grab that or just.
Oh yeah, you just told me right now that you're gonna help me with it. Now it's lapsed.
Well, it's on the paper that was left on the door.
It wasn't left. There was no paper left on the door. First of all, I found that paper across my property.
Diamond,
it was not on no door. You guys.
I got it.
I was picking up trash and I found that paper.
If you found it though, then it was delivered to you.
Yeah,
put it on the fence,
but that's not notifying anyone anything.
Well, you wouldn't talk to us, so how are we supposed to notify you if you don't
in the mailbox? Try that. Why? If you tape something, the wind's gonna blow it away. You guys are playing with me, so I'm gonna play with you guys.
We'll come back with a warrant.
I'm gonna fight paperwork with paperwork. So you're gonna be very overwhelmed.
So Diamond, when we come back with a warrant again, you're gonna be just as upset.
No, I won't. But I won't. You guys give me a warrant, I will let you in because you guys have the legal grounds to be on my property. Right now, you guys are just a bunch of people giving me a hard time.
Okay.
Well,
not you.
Then. We will see you again then.
And you, for not giving me that declaration of ownership, that is very wrong. The times have not lapsed. Today is the second day. It says I have 2 days on that paper.
48 hours.
Have it been 40 hours?
Tuesday.
Exactly? No, it has not.
Yeah.
No, it has not. No, it doesn't count the day that you give it. 1, 2.
Right.
Tomorrow's my last
48
day.
hours from the time that it was given.
You know Lisa's number, right? Our manager.
So why did you tell me right now that I could fill it out, then all of a sudden you take it back?
She was trying to call you and you wouldn't call her back or text her. So
Diamond,
hold on. Right now you said you'll help me do that. And you went to the car. And now since I'm not playing you guys' game with you guys, you're not going to let me fill out the paperwork.
Here, I'll give you one, but if it lapses, it lapses. If you want to fill it out and try to submit it, you can submit it, but it's still within 48 hours. I'll give you one.
40 hours, but you guys did not give me, I did not receive the notification. You guys taped it onto my fence and it blew away.
That's not our fault. You wouldn't talk to us, so we couldn't give it directly to you.
Then why didn't you put it in the mailbox where I can find it?
We're legally not allowed to.
You guys are not allowed to be on my property.
Here, let me give you this. You can submit it if you want, but you got to submit it today.
Hold on, can I get your badge number? Or do you have a card?
Badge number 2030.
2030.
I'll write my name on it so you can remember it. And I'll give you our supervisor's number if you want to speak to him.
So, back to that. You were here when you guys raided my place that day. Why didn't you guys look into what you guys were doing? Why would you? No, you didn't. Because no. Everything you wrote cited me for was all wrong. You guys should have checked in with the state. Don't you guys have like a database?
Please let her
Hold up,
finish.
no, but you said you were there that day.
I was.
Okay, don't you guys have a database where you see what places are illegal and which ones not? If you guys were to just look, you guys could look up the numbers right there on my seller's permit.
This is probably not the best place to discuss this.
Why not? You're here right now. You told me you were here that day when all my mom was put in handcuffs and everything. So that is what made me mad the most. Not just that, but you guys took other stuff that was not on the warrant. Why do you guys take my jewelry? Why do you guys take my money?
Diamond,
that wasn't on the warrant. So therefore, no.
On this matter.
No, so your body cams. You guys are required to wear body cams, and they're required to stay on the whole time. So when I write my report about all the stuff you guys have stole from me, and you guys can't furnish those body cams, you know you guys are all in trouble, right?
Diamond, can I interrupt? Because this is about the animals.
Seriously,
Diamond,
all you guys.
Do you want to fill this out?
I have 2 lawyers. You guys do not know who you guys are messing with.
Do you want to fill this out now? Or not? Okay, I can give it to you and you can fill it out later, but you have to get it in today. So you might as well just do it now.
And I would trust you guys to go look at the animals, but my brother told me that you guys made him upset. He was being nice to you guys, and you guys were trying to write him a ticket. And so he said, what the heck? So you guys can understand why I don't trust you guys on my property now, because I don't want no ticket from you guys. I already have enough stuff to pay for that it was wrecked during that raid.
Right. But you'd rather have a warrant? Like, honestly, Diamond, if the birds have water, we have nothing to stand on.
They do have water. Dude, look at my birds. They're hecka happy. No chickens frolic like that.
I mean, if you just show us the ones in the back.
I don't want to show you guys nothing.
Then we'll come back with a warrant.
You know how traumatized I am from having any kind of legal authority on my property right now? Can you understand that? It's not like I have nothing to hide about my birds. It's just my jewelry was taken. Understand that?
Animal control, yes.
Well, you guys come with the people that took it, so that has something to do with something.
We got called in after the fact.
Come on now, you guys have brought me down to nothing almost.
Okay,
but I believe in God, so
and we'll work on it, okay?
So it's all right. Everything's gonna be okay. The animal control, I thought supposed to be protecting the animals. You guys just take my animals. Law enforcement is supposed to protect the people. You guys just steal from me. Like, you guys took something very sentimental that belongs to me also, and I'm highly upset about that. My best friend committed suicide on Easter, and you guys took her necklace. What's today's date?
The 13th? 12th.
So if it says the 12th, then I haven't lapsed the day, because on the paperwork you gave me, it says it's the 10th that day.
Okay, and then you're filling it out and you're in the...
So then why were you lying?
I wasn't lying. I mean,
you guys are...
It doesn't matter. You're still fine. Like, regardless of what I said, I gave you the form anyway. So you're still legit. It's fine. We'll contact you for a hearing if you requested one on the form. I don't know if you did yet, because I can't see it, but... And it's just like with Kush, the hearing with Kush. I think you had one with Kush. It was before I came here, but... wait a minute. So, okay.
I don't have to fill it out.
No. I'm just making sure you filled it out right, or at least the way you want it. I just wanted to, because some people check this one and it says that you'll relinquish animals, but you didn't check that one. So, we haven't seized them yet, so we don't need to worry about this. I'm going to cross it off. And you are the owner, right? Of the birds? Okay. So we will contact you for a hearing.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. And it's just kind of like with Kush. All right, so it's the same process. You're just going to meet at Highland. Or maybe not. They changed it to county council, but we'll see how it works out. But we'll let you know.
Okay.
Okay. And then I just realized I wrote this on the wrong thing. Yeah, I was going to give you our supervisor's number, but I wrote it on the thing that I keep. So let me give you your supervisor's number.
I'm really not a crybaby like this. There's just so many things that happened this year. It's crazy.
I'm Officer Riley. My badge number. What's your desk phone? What's your last four?
Good question. I never call my desk phone.
I'll limit with the main number for you, and then they can just ask to be transferred. Okay, so here's the officers that are here. She's just a ride-along. She's not actually an officer, so she's not attached in any way. She's just learning about animal control. So, supervisor, me, and Janae. Okay?
What about his information?
He can give it. I don't
do that.
Do you want to finish?
I can write that. I don't know his information.
Kind of like the
But I know it's not him. It was Proctor. That's the one. You guys just follow orders. I understand that.
Scared yourself.
Thank you.
Great, Diamond. Thank you.
And that wraps up today's encounter. Another perfect example of what happens when officials show up expecting compliance, but instead run into someone who actually knows their rights. What we saw wasn't animal protection. It wasn't public safety. It was a sloppy attempt at intimidation, backed by shaky paperwork and even shakier excuses. And the moment they were held accountable with real questions, the entire operation fell apart right in front of the camera. If there's one takeaway from this video, it's this. Knowing the law is the strongest shield you can have when authority tries to overstep. Stand your ground, stay informed, and never let a badge override your rights. If you found this interaction eye-opening, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown of government overreach caught on camera.